Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm going to be doing a overview, tutorial, and a little bit of a review of this automatic bed frame. And so this is a twin XL size, about 37 inches wide. It's I think it's 78.7 as far as total length, and it sits off the floor about 9 inches. This comes in one box, and it is like in three pieces. So you have your foot, your middle, and the rear end. That just from a movability standpoint, transport standpoint, it's kind of convenient, especially if you need to move it like upstairs or somewhere. You have the option to do that. Assembly time with one person is going to be probably in the ballpark of maybe 1 hour. All the hardware is provided, no screws, no drill, no nothing. Everything comes together with it, and it has like a little Allen wrench or something, and then it has a couple screws that kind of link everything together. There's two motors. I'll explain how it all works here in a sec. One motor is for the head, the head part of the bed, and the other motor is at the base. I believe this company also has some like in queen and king size, but again, this is the twin XL. This is everything that comes with it. No mattress comes with it, no extra box frames or anything. This is everything that comes with it. It also comes with a remote that will allow you to raise or lower the head, and also raise or lower the foot, just to kind of get into the position that the user desires to be in. This is a real-time movement here, so you can kind of see how fast or slow it's going to go up or down. So especially if you're laying on it while using it and you want to move it, it kind of gives you an idea of the speed at which it's going to go up or go down. Also, it's very quiet. So like right now, I'm going to have the motors going, and you can barely hear it. You can barely hear it. So this is at the foot of the bed. The foot of the bed also has, so close up of everything. So this is sort of the frame pad that kind of covers everything. This is the mattress footer. I'll call it like the hook, if you will. So when you have a mattress laying, this is the foot of the bed, it keeps it on there from like sliding down, especially if you have the controls, which are very easy to use. You just click the button, it's going to go up or it's going to go down. So with one click, it's going to go up. So this is what the headboard would look like, fully raised up, not quite 90 degrees, but definitely a very high angle. And then if we wanted to raise up the foot, and so this would be the kind of the total adjustment here as far as how it would look like with this fully extended and that fully extended as well. You have roughly about a 15-foot extension cord. So, depending on wherever this needs to be plugged into. And then you have a very long cord here. I'd say this is, maybe 8 to 10 feet long cord. So you pretty much can manage this while on the bed, or if somebody was assisting, they could do that as well. This is like a waterproof type material. So if something, kind of leaked, it would not leak through. If it leaked through the mattress was sitting on here, it's more likely not going to leak through this. It's kind of like a canvas style material. To show the construction underneath, there are the motors here. So here's one motor here, kind of shows the power cables. This is like a powder coated steel of some sort. It's heavy enough where it's definitely going to hold up, but it's not light enough to where it would maybe negatively impact the quality or construction of it. This kind of gives you an idea. There's the second motor there for the foot part. And then you have these feet. And so these feet are adjustable. So you have 2, 4, 6, 8. So there's a lot of support. And this thing will hold up to 600 pounds. This particular Twin XL version, I'm not sure what the weight capacity is on the Queen or King, but this one, Twin XL, is rated at up to 600 pounds. Now you have these height adjustments here. So these come in lengths of almost 3 inches. I guess, yeah, right about 3 inches. These are 3 inch increments. And so they're 9 inches off the ground. And then each one can kind of like spin free and be removed. So you could have this either max 9 inches off the ground, 6 or 3 if you wanted it really low. Again, catering to the user, if the user wanted something a little bit lower to the floor or higher, like in this example. This cover also can be removed. It is strapped on with Velcro straps all the way around. So if this is needing to be washed, it definitely can be removed and that done. And this just kind of pulls out. But this kind of also helps kind of keep this all nice and locked in place. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, can you give us an honest review? And really, how long does it take to put together? And what do you think about the quality? Hopefully, all your questions got answered, and we'll talk to you soon.